I wish someone told me this before I started sewing. Because if you miss these steps, sewing will frustrate you every single time. Most beginners rush to the sewing machine. But before you sew, you need to train your eyes, your mindset, and your patience. In this video, I'll show you exactly what you need to focus on first, and it has nothing to do with stitching. The very first thing you need to do is to learn to observe like a tailor. The best tailors are observers. They don't just sew, they study. Every great tailor studies garment like a scientist. Look inside clothes, see the finishing, see how the zippers are being placed, see how the linings are being attached. You can start with clothes from your wardrobe, turn them inside out, and you can also pay attention to what people are wearing. The second thing you need to do is develop the right mindset. Sewing is a journey. If you expect perfection from the very beginning, you'll burn out. You have to embrace mistakes, mess-ups, and slow progress. I know most of us are interested in learning really fast, but tailoring is not quick. It is not always perfect. You will make mistakes, but the right mindset will help you keep learning. So don't just rush your garments. Focus on learning and not just the outcome. Be kind to yourself. Even pros make mistakes, and that's part of growth. Lastly, practice patience and trust the process. Sewing rewards patience. It's not about rushing through a dress. It's about getting the cuts, pressing the seams, and finishing the garments right. Slow steps is what will make the garments look expensive. So tailors, before you touch your machine, train your eyes, adjust your mindsets, and learn the process. Trust me, this is the real foundation of a good tailor. If this helped, I would like you to share, comment, and subscribe for more fashion formula tips. And drop a comment telling us your biggest sewing challenge right now, and we'll be in the comment section. Thank you.